Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select formatting information or formatting functions within your notes, meaning that you can make your text bold, italicize, underline, add bullet points and so on. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the sticky notes icon in order to create or select a note from your already existing notes here. But you can also tap on the plus icon to type in a new note. Then after that, if you have made your decision, then you should type in your text, and after that select this B icon down below, which is the bold icon. So you're going to make your text bold. You can also italicize it, underline it, or cross it over with a line. And you can also add bullet points, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.